Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of face massage techniques, a natural and effective way to lift and sculpt your face, potentially replacing the need for Botox. These techniques offer a holistic approach to skincare, promoting both immediate and long-term benefits. Let's start with the basics. Face massage improves blood circulation, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. This vital process, in turn, boosts collagen production, making your skin firmer and more elastic. The increased blood flow also contributes to a healthier, more radiant complexion. It's like a workout for your face. Think of it as a daily exercise routine designed to keep your facial muscles toned and rejuvenated. Regular practice can lead to a noticeable reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, adding to a more youthful appearance. One popular and highly effective technique is the lymphatic drainage massage. This gentle method encourages the movement of lymph fluid, which helps remove toxins and reduce puffiness. By stimulating the lymphatic system, this massage promotes detoxification and reduces inflammation, leading to a clearer, brighter complexion. To perform this technique, use light, sweeping motions, starting from the center of your face and moving outwards towards your ears and down your neck. Apply minimal pressure, focusing on the movement of the lymph fluid rather than deep tissue manipulation. Repeat this several times, ensuring a consistent and rhythmic motion for optimal results. It's best to do this using a high-quality face oil or serum to ensure your hands glide smoothly across the skin. Next, we have the sculpting massage. This technique focuses on lifting and defining your facial features, providing a more contoured appearance. This is a particularly effective technique for targeting specific areas like the cheekbones, jawline, and brow bone. Use your knuckles or fingertips to gently press and lift these key areas. For example, place your fingertips along your cheekbones and gently lift upwards. Then, move to your jawline, applying gentle pressure to sculpt and define. Focus on lifting motions rather than dragging the skin downwards. Be sure to apply a good quality face oil to help your hands glide smoothly over the skin, and to further enhance the massage's benefits. Another effective method is the tapping technique, also known as percussion. Remember, face massage is a natural, non-invasive approach. While results vary depending on individual skin types and consistency, many people find it to be a beneficial addition to their skincare regime. This technique complements other skincare practices. For a more comprehensive approach to beauty, it's important to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have any pre-existing skin conditions or concerns. Thanks for watching.